Bathroom vanity mirrors. They come in a number of sizes and colors. You may check online for further detail about your product. We have an 18 by 18, 24 by 24, a 30 by 30, and a 36 by 36 inch size mirror. Black, gold, bronze, and silver. It is an HD mirror that is shatterproof in case it falls and never breaks. It is made of brushed stainless steel. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like. Your mirror comes well protected. Please remember to remove the plastic and styrofoam carefully. We have a template with a level to hang, anchors and screws, and instruction guide. Please remember to remove the protective film after hanging. As you can see, the color of the mirror, the hanging points, the width of the mirror, and sunk in for dimensions of, and sunk in with a lip. The mirror weighs a couple of pounds. It is pretty heavy. We're going to go hang up and show you what this looks like in a work area. We have options to put a mirror up like so, on a wall, in different areas of interest. To hang up the mirror, you simply take the template, and there are a number of holes for each individual one. And what we're going to do is sink the first one here, and then we're going to take the template and we're going to use the second to last hole like we did here, over here. We want to make sure that when we we're going to put into the next hole over here. Then we're going to take the mirror and we're going to align the keyhole and the other keyhole. And then we're going to peel the film off. Depending on the size and diameter mirrors for your needs in your household, these mirrors are very easy to install. It is an elegant mirror. This one's in black brushed metal. It is a nice size mirror, as you can see. Nice mirror. You can check out your hair, do your makeup, beautiful lighting, and wherever you need to put a mirror. I hope this mirror is to your liking. Thank you for viewing.